Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a look at this brand new 2026 Keystone Fusion Impact Edition 337 Toy Hauler. 11 feet separate garage, full and half baths, 5.5K generator, triple AC Hero Edition. The ultimate residential style toy hauler. Only at the East Coast's #1 dealer. Searching for a 2026 Keystone Fusion Impact Edition 337 in South Carolina or anywhere across the Southeast. This is the high-performance toy hauler setup you have been waiting for. Featuring an 11-foot separate garage, full and half bathrooms, and a private master suite with a king bed, this unit delivers pure residential luxury. Because we order custom, elite spec inventory, this unit comes fully loaded with the Hero Edition package, a 5.5K generator, triple AC, and sliding rear patio doors to ensure total comfort at any destination. Make this awesome camper yours today and give us a call at 843-215-1800.